Octane, this is I-Reggae Nation. We can start. Every man we pure and clean, Bossa Blanc.
I-Reggae Nation. Every man we clean and street, Bossa Blanc. You know turn like you come heal, Bossa Blanc. Yeah, you know living on the stream, Bossa Blanc. But for my girl, turn up the scheme, Bossa Blanc. Yeah, we no beg boy things, Bossa Blanc. Work for your things.
Thanks, Octane. On this stage, you spoke about you closing Reggae Sumfest, the premier spot, Reggae Sumfest every year. Can you just talk to I-Reggae Nation about that? You said that some persons...
Believe me. I may ask you the question. Yes. I feel like it's a normal job this to close a Sumfest like that. No, to close a stage show like this, yes, with the likes of Beanie and Bunty and you know, holy for giants on the show.
Right.
Yeah, you understand?
You step up.
You know, it's been a while, and I mean over 20 odd years. A Vibes Cartel alone was the new youth after Killer them will come do it 2 times. And you know, and the people them love Vibes Cartel, but what happened? The performance wasn't like Ray because what? The business not allow young artists to stand out like that. You understand? So I have to just look into it and know, say, yo, I'm tired of do the same thing every minute. Michelle long everywhere the same thing all the while. So I just make sure I put myself in a next level where people can say acting and grow. You know, I'm tired of being sub-act and all them something. So I just work with the Almighty. Anything him tell me to do, I just do it. If him say stop sing tomorrow at the last stage show this.
But Octane, as you can see, the crowd is here with you, so they have been supporting them sister you shell the show. Yeah,
man, I love them bad.
Sumfest is celebrating 21 years today, a veritable institution in reggae music. Can you talk to us about the importance of Sumfest and its longevity?
Well, Sumfest is a reggae show, you know, it's a festival, the biggest festival in the world, you know, because most of the system not allow most of we forget visa and all them things for travel. So Sumfest is something that occur in Jamaica and represent the culture itself. And also import overseas artists to come and represent the culture, just like what them do overseas, you know. It's just that we appreciate it more than how them appreciate we. But it's a great thing, and every youth dream is to work Sumfest. Every youth dream, every youth in a reggae music. If you don't work on Reggae Sumfest, you need to work on Reggae Sumfest. Every media in the world there, you know what I mean? So you have to just come and represent and just present your thing. Alright, you see it? Them same people here, well, they are Reggae Sumfest today. We go a sting tomorrow morning and back here. The same people them come at Sumfest, the same set of people them with a different perspective, a family oriented. You know, say when they show them John out and they set them John out, people still stand up and wait and rock. Nobody now boo, nobody now clap. You understand? And them wait till the last act, and that me appreciate.
Big up yourself, Octane. Can you do a promo for I-Reggae Nation?
I-Reggae Nation, keep the fire blazing, it's like 10%, you know what I mean? Boom, boom, I-Reggae Nation. Yes.
Say bam, bam, bam.
Bam, 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 bam.
Thank you.
Come on.